Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to walk through rainforest adventure. Blue poison dart frogs. These frogs are small but deadly. As the name suggests, these frogs excrete toxic poison from their skin. The bright colors on their body act as a warning to potential predators that eating them would be a mistake. These spiders can live for up to 25 years and can be domesticated into affectionate pets. They are usually active in the evening or at night. The green tree python's lifespan in the wild is believed to be an average of 15 years. However, they can live up to 20 years in human care. Though vibrant and exotic, they will not tolerate being handled often, can be prone to biting when startled. These frogs are most commonly called Amazon milk frogs due to the milky white secretions that are released from the frog's back when threatened. These frogs have been known to live for 8 years or more. The mouth of a snapping turtle is shaped like the hooked beak of a bird. Its lifespan is 20 to 32 years. A healthy adult aquatic turtle can go about a week or more without water. In some cases, possibly up to a month or more. aggressive and have been known to bite humans in the dry season when food may be scarce. Researchers think that these fish swim in groups for protection. Ripsaw catfish is a big fish to keep in a giant tank that can grow up to 50 inches. Gento's penguins are awkward on land, but they are pure grace. While we sleep at night, or most of us anyway, and get on average 8 hours a night sleep, penguins do not do this. Penguins do not go to sleep at night and do not follow the pattern of having one big long sleep. Instead, they will take shorter naps throughout the day and possibly into the night as well. Do you want to know how do they sleep? They can sleep on ice, in water, and in small holes. They can sleep standing up, minimizing contact with the ice. They will sleep in groups to protect from the cold and predators. jellyfish are a common species found all around the UK. They can withstand temperatures as low as 6 and as high as 31 degrees Celsius. Upside down jellyfish live in shallow water, lagoons, and around mangroves. They grow algae in their tentacles to provide extra food. They can grow up to 30 cm in diameter. Sea nettles have a distinctive golden brown bell with a reddish tint. The bell can grow to be larger than 1 meter, 3 feet in diameter in the wild, though most are less than 50 centimeter across. Their long spiraling white oral arms and 24 undulating maroon tentacles may trail behind as far as 15 feet. For humans, its sting is often irritating but rarely dangerous. Jellyfish have no heart, blood, or respiratory organs. Their cells absorb oxygen from the water around them and release carbon dioxide. They also have no brain or central nervous system. What they do have are nerve nets consisting of sensory neurons which produce signals in response to various stimulus such as the touch of a prey fish, and motor neurons which instruct muscles to contract. The lion's mane jellyfish is described as the largest jellyfish in the world, growing up to 2.5 meters in diameter, trailing up to 1,000 tentacles, each of up to 45 meters in length. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Happy traveling. Bye.